No damage done, but no meal either. Each failure puts her under ever greater pressure. Back at this dry gully, her favourite hunting ground, there's no sign of Storm's wild dog pack. Sustain her and the cubs for days. But they have company. One of the hyena clan. Female leopards are small, and that puts them at the bottom of the predator hierarchy here. There's plenty left for the family, and Olimba wastes no time in getting it safely stored away and hidden from rivals.